Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about the new release Gemini 3. So what all are new things added in the Gemini 3? I'll discuss about that. So first of all, you can see the new release the blogs which is released by Google, a new era of intelligence with Gemini 3. So if I'll click here.
A new era of intelligence with Gemini 3. Gemini 3 is our most intelligent model that helps you bring any idea to life. Sundar Pichai, CEO, Google and Alphabet. Demis Hassabis, CEO, Google DeepMind. Kore Kavachawaglu, CTO, Google DeepMind and Chief AI Architect, Google. A note from Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai. Nearly 2 years ago we kicked off the Gemini era, one of our biggest scientific and product endeavors ever undertaken as a company. Since then, it's been incredible to see how much people love it. AI overviews now have 2 billion users every month. The Gemini app surpasses 650 million users per month. More than 70% of our cloud customers use our AI, 13 million developers have built with our generative models, and that is just a snippet of the impact we're seeing. And we're able to get advanced capabilities to the world faster than ever, thanks to our differentiated full-stack approach to AI innovation, from our leading infrastructure to our world-class research and models and tooling, to products that reach billions of people around the world. Every generation of Gemini has built on the last, enabling you to do more. Gemini 1's breakthroughs in native multimodality and long context window expanded the kinds of information that could be processed, and how much of it. Gemini 2 laid the foundation for agentic capabilities and pushed the frontiers on reasoning and thinking, helping with more complex tasks and ideas, leading to Gemini 2.5 Pro topping LM Arena for over 6 months. And now we're introducing Gemini 3, our most intelligent model, that combines all of Gemini's capabilities together so you can bring any idea to life. It's state-of-the-art in reasoning, built to grasp depth and nuance, whether it's perceiving the subtle clues in a creative idea, or peeling apart the overlapping layers of a difficult problem. Gemini 3 is also much better at figuring out the context and intent behind your request, so you get what you need with less prompting. It's amazing to think that in just 2 years, AI has evolved from simply reading text and images to reading the room. And starting today, we're shipping Gemini at the scale of Google. That includes Gemini 3 in AI mode in search with more complex reasoning and new dynamic experiences. This is the first time we are shipping Gemini in search on day 1. Gemini 3 is also coming today to the Gemini app, to developers in AI Studio and Vertex AI, and in our new agentic development platform, Google Antigravity, more below. Like the generations before it, Gemini 3 is once again advancing the state of the art. In this new chapter, we'll continue to push the frontiers of intelligence, agents, and personalization to make AI truly helpful for everyone. We hope you like Gemini 3, we'll keep improving it, and look forward to seeing what you build with it. Much more to come. Introducing Gemini 3, our most intelligent model that helps you bring any idea to life. Demis Hassabis.
So this is the new things launched. So I'll show you one by one. Here you can see Gemini 3 Pro and all the steps and all the parameter and what the enhancement happened. So already clearly mentioned over in this document, right? So you go through this document, then I'll check it out what the new thing is happening. Cost of building and deploying AI model in Vertex AI. The cost part also you can also check here. Input text, image, video and audio, like 1 million token, 200k input tokens, all that parameter you can get into in this document, right? So I have also created one high level document like key product rollout and the integration, like Gemini App, Google Search AI mode, developers and enterprise, Gemini App in AI Studio, Android Studio, Firebase AI, Gemini CLI, each area Gemini 3 integrated, right? And couple of the pricing part also I have model inference, content sketching, and the API, all that, how the category type, all that, how we are calculating the cost. And if I'll show you in the cloud, Google Cloud, as soon as you log in into Vertex AI Studio, so the latest one you can see Gemini 3, the use case, and the before 4, and the recent one. So you can also check it out, and if you check pricing details, you can click over here. So this is the Gemini 3 Pro preview is already in place in the Google Cloud Vertex AI Studio. Now, if I'll talk about Google AI Studio, similarly, if we open to Google AI Studio, here you see the features of Gemini 3, and then document. If you want to read the document, also you will click at the developer document, how the developer write the program and use this model, Gemini 3 Pro preview. Similarly, this is the code which you can use for your development environment to set up, right? And migration from Gemini 2.5 to Gemini 3, all that, how we will do that. So this is the document. Gemini 3 allow you to combine structure, output and all that. You can go through this details document. then you can get to know that what's the developer will get the help. Now this is the introducing Gemini 3, the main page. Which area it has introduced the Gemini 3. One is the Gemini model. Gemini app brings the updated smart and new capability to the Gemini app. The new era of intelligence with Gemini 3 and Gemini 3 in Google search also. So I'll show you the quick demo how it's working. And then build anything for developer. Start build with Gemini 3 as I show on the document, developer document. Building Gemini 3 to enterprise architect. I mean Gemini Enterprise, Gemini 3 to Enterprise, right? Not for architect, sorry. And now the Google Antigravity. This is the introducing new one for software development in the era of agent, right? This is the new one totally. And then bring any idea to life with Gemini 3 and Firebase AI Logic. Firebase also Gemini 3 integrated. And Gemini UI, visual interactive user experience. So generative AI, generative UI also. Of course, Gemini CLI 3 Pro is now available for Gemini CLI, and Android Studio, of course, for the Android Studio also Gemini 3 is also available. Gemini 3 Pro for Gemini App as well, and also the Flutter GenUI SDK for Flutter is available. So these are the main new Gemini features already introduced with the respective product. So now let me quickly show you one by one. For example, Gemini SDK Flutter. This is the document. If you'll go through the details and video also here. So how to do and all these step you can get it right. And Google search with Gemini 3. This is the most popular. Like how it will be. You can see first if you whatever you will put the search. Click here AI mode. Then click on thinking. And then let me do the right way. For example, I want to search something. Gemini 3. Gemini 3 new features. Here you see, click on AI mode, and here as soon as you click here, it should come like yeah. So Gemini 3 offers these other things offering, right? Likewise, like let me.
Gemini 3's state-of-the-art reasoning grasps depth and nuance and unlocks new generative UI experiences with dynamic visual layouts, interactive tools, and simulations tailored specifically for your query.
Yeah.
Elizabeth Hammond-Reed, VP of Engineering, Search. Today, we introduce Gemini 3, our most intelligent model with state-of-the-art reasoning, deep multimodal understanding, and powerful agentic capabilities. It's now available in Google Search, starting with AI mode, marking the first time we brought a Gemini model to search on day one. Gemini 3 brings incredible reasoning power to search because it's built to grasp unprecedented depth and nuance for your hardest questions. It also unlocks new generative UI experiences so you can get dynamic visual layouts with interactive tools and simulations generated specifically for you. Here's how Gemini 3 is supercharging search. Gemini 3, our most intelligent model, right in search. Starting today, Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the US can use Gemini 3 Pro, our first model in the Gemini 3 family of models, by selecting Thinking from the model drop-down menu in AI mode. With Gemini 3, you can tackle your toughest questions and learn more interactively because it better understands the intent and nuance of your request. And soon, we'll bring Gemini 3 in AI mode to everyone in the US with higher limits for users with the Google AI Pro and Ultra plan.
Right, so this is the things. And if I'll talk about Gemini 3 brings updated smart new capability to Gemini app. So what are the new features?
Gemini 3 brings upgraded smarts and new capabilities to the Gemini app. Gemini 3 arrives today with sharper reasoning, a leap in vibe coding capabilities, a new look, and an experimental agent. Josh Woodward, VP, Google Labs, Gemini and iStudio. Today we're unveiling a major update in the Gemini app, including our most intelligent model yet. Here's what's new. Gemini 3, our newest model, applies state-of-the-art reasoning to your most complex problems. Generative interfaces. Gemini 3 unlocks a new type of interface that adapts to your needs, designing the perfect response for your specific prompt. Gemini Agent, a new tool that orchestrates and completes complex, multi-step tasks on your behalf, rolling out to Google AI Ultra members first. Gemini 3, an AI powerhouse. Gemini 3 sets a new bar for iModel performance. You'll notice the responses are more helpful, better formatted, and more concise. But it's not just the response formatting that's improved. The entire experience has gotten smarter. It's our best vibe coding model ever, so the apps you build in Canvas will be more full-featured. It's the best model in the world for multimodal understanding.
Yeah, similarly, if I'll talk about Google Search Intelligence, I explain how it, now start building with Gemini 3. Let me...
Start building with Gemini 3. Whether you're an experienced developer or a vibe coder, Gemini 3 can help you bring any idea to life. Logan Kilpatrick, Product Lead, Google AI Studio and the Gemini API. Today we are introducing Gemini 3, our most intelligent model that can help bring any idea to life. Built on a foundation of state-of-the-art reasoning, Gemini 3 Pro delivers unparalleled results across every major AI benchmark compared to previous versions. It also surpasses 2.5 Pro at coding, mastering both agentic workflows and complex zero-shot tasks. Gemini 3 Pro fits right into existing production agent and coding workflows.
So similarly, bringing the Gemini 3 to enterprise, what all are new things added. So if we go through these blogs, so you can get to know that what all are new things added. Similarly, the Google Antigravity, this is the new things launched, right? You can see here the features, details. This document if you go through, definitely you can get to know that how developer and for software development it is the new era of AI assist. And then bringing any idea to life with Gemini 3 and Firebase AI Logic. What the new things in Firebase with the help of Gemini 3 that will really note down here. Now if I'll talk about generative UI, so for example create text, image, audio, video, all that, and how to generative UI implementation into works. You see the process and the other details here, right? And then the Gemini CLI, nowadays everybody there you are using, right? So the 5 things to try Gemini 3 Pro in Gemini CLI. So you can see the first you, as soon as you if you're in Google Cloud environment, then first you will click on setting, then you will activate preview features need to be true, and if your local environment is this piece of code you install, and these are the things which you can able to use the Gemini 3 into Gemini CLI as well. Similarly, Gemini 3 is now available for AI assistance in Android Studio, and how to do it. So the guide blogs you can read out and you can check it out to how you implement. Similarly, the workspace update in the Gemini 3 is also integrated, right? Google Antigravity, and then of course the Google Gemini app also introduced. So these are the new things launched by Google Gemini 3, and what all are new things developed that I already explained and note down here. Gemini apps, the smarts and new capability to Gemini app for all users, and Google search developer for enterprise, the whole area Google Gemini 3 introduced with the new features. So I think where I will get that Gemini 3 with a Google Cloud Platform, latest Gemini 3 and Google AI Studio, and Gemini CLI for Gemini for developer. How will developer guide this document? You can follow this document if you are creating your development environment. So this is the video all about like how Gemini 3 and what are the whole features in Gemini 3. So this is all about this video, the quick video to get to know that which area Google Gemini 3 introduced and how we'll get the help. So all the related link I'll provide in the description box. I hope this video will be helpful to quickly get to know that how Gemini 3 you can start developing and how to use that Gemini 3. Hope this video will be helpful for you, for everyone. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.